Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World. This is an update to my previous video where I spoke about some Android apps and how you can locate the comet Neowise in India. Now today I'm going to talk about the best time to spot the comet Neowise because we are running out of time because the comet is going away from the solar system in August. On July 23rd, the comet will approach closest to the Earth. So today, that means 22nd of July, and tomorrow, 23rd of July, are the best days to get a glimpse of the comet Neowise. But there are certain things that you will need to keep in mind while trying to locate the comet Neowise, because we require, number one, a clear sky, cloud-free, dust-free, and light pollution-free. That means if you're near to the city, there will be city lights and that will hamper the visibility of the comet. Next, the important thing is that we also require a clear view of the horizon, because without the clear view of the horizon, we cannot or we may not be able to spot the comet Neowise, because the Neowise is visible just above the horizon. So a clear view of the horizon will be beneficial for spotting the Neowise successfully. So we have to go out to an open space if we wish to successfully get a glimpse of the comet Neowise. The third one is that we need to have an idea of the sky, because we need to locate the Neowise comet near the northwestern horizon. So, and it will be near the downside of the Ursa Major. So if we know where the Ursa Major is, we can easily spot the comet Neowise. So that's it for today. I hope you will go out in the open to look for the comet today and tomorrow and the days thereafter if you are not able to get a glimpse by today or tomorrow. So hopefully the skies above you or where you live clears up if there are any clouds and you get a successful glimpse of the comet Neowise. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please consider subscribing if you are not already a subscriber. It will help me a lot. Please keep in touch. Please do visit my channel for more videos related to Android apps and technology in general. Thank you very much. See you soon.